So we're back again, here at the NML Airsoft site in Barnsley. In today's footage we managed to capture our most intense bunker defences we've had for a long time. You'll be seeing both mine and Wilson's POV, so without further ado, let's get into it.
We should be fine because we've got pillbox right there and that's got 360 coverage. So if we hear people fucking getting levered through pillbox, that's when we'll push back into that room. Yeah? Does that look a bit suspicious to you? What? The big blue light in the corner?
No, that's Brian.
Yeah, that's ours.
Yeah, we've got at least 2 people in this bunker behind us. Fine. Bry, we're going to be pushing right side, mate.
Let's see what this does. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, it seems like they're heavy on pillbox. We might push into your building and just peek through. Looks like they're pushing pillbox heavy, so they're going to be on the right side a lot.
Just hold back for as long as you can, mate.
Oh, you're come.
Apparently they're pushing pillbox down to Bry, so I said to him if he holds we can hold this for as long as possible.
We've often like to this side.
Yeah, Bry, we've got 3 dead at pillbox, mate. Just take care.
So after making our initial fallback plan, we have noticed that the pillbox north of us has been targeted with 3 friendly players already dead. With this news, what's been passed back and forth between me and Wilson, we head back to regroup and prepare for a 360 attack in Wilson's bunker.
What we doing? What we saying?
We're just going to tell by Gila, like, looks like we're going to get overrun that side. Pillbox is getting absolutely ramped. Oh yeah, I've lost the fucking... So, we thought we'd retreat here. What about, what's that? That's tunnel. Oh, that's where I was. No, that tunnel's just in front of here. So we can just peek that way.
Yeah. We're going to push top down, aren't we?
Yeah. Hey!
I'm looking at it.
Hey! Shout dead man. Dead man! Just watching that trench line there. Keep your eyes on them gaps like that, so you see them coming down.
Yeah.
Just try to be quiet, hopefully you'll forget about it and stop them.
Keep up yourself and filming that.
It's me person.
One right side coming up walking. Try to get rid of him, one close right side, 300.
Pushing down now, pushing down now.
Fucking hell! Watch you! Fucking watch fireman! No! Fucking dickhead in here! Oh, mate! Yes!
I'm not sure to hit him. For a little kill.
Cool. One dead. Pissed on you little cunt.
Right, goggles.
Yeah, 2 dead. No, goggles are still close.
That grenade we need to watch out for. If it comes close, we need to just pop out of his foot.
He's coming it. Another one dead.
You working, man?
Across the road for German flag.
You working?
Across the road for German flag.
No, Gordon! Keep pushing!
Good call! I fucking love it! I'm on a mag.
Got getting a grenade ready here. Nice.
You can go inside it if you want, or the trench is in front of it, but that's the new defence block.
I'm the most hated man at normal on today.
We're fucking living it.
Be soon. Yeah.
Have I not hit that? Fuck right.
Hold it after.
Oh.
Let's get some shots off first. I'll come to the rolls.
I got the guy going on.
We're going to have 4 people swinging behind us off.
trenches or just...
Oi, yo! One here! Hey!
We're good.
Hit! Hit, come on.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm getting my grenade back. I forgot there's a wall in here.
Deadly close, trench line right side.
Oh, you're fine.
I got one, there's another.
Good shot, fella. Nice one, mate. Good call.
Yes, sir. We're getting heavily pinned, so I can't start that now.
No, push.
We're safe. We're thinking about looking. We're good. Fucking shooting up that. Dead. Good call. Changing mags for safety.
Where's that?
Hit!
Let him out! Dead man coming out!
Dead man!
There's a two walls.
Well played, bro. Well played.
Respawn. Get to the standing wall, my boy.
Ready? Go! Dead man! Well played.
Wait one, let him out.
Coming out!
Yep, up. Thanks, brother.
And there we have it, one of our most intense bunker defences we've had at the NML Airsoft site in Barnsley. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.